This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the entire market was red. But guess which two stocks stayed green? AMC and GME. And you know what this tells me? And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell AMC. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell GME. I'm telling you that this tells me that there is a lot of pressure on these naked shorters. Okay? The margin calls are coming in, and some of them probably started trying to cover their AMC short positions. Not the big dogs, because the big dogs are too deep in. But the little guys, the little naked shorters, the little criminals in the pool, I believe they started covering their AMC and GME short positions because they know when the real margin calls start coming in, when the pressure is put on them, the price is probably going to run to the moon. And here's the thing. Are these banks and these naked shorters in bed together? Of course they are. They've been in bed together for years. What they didn't count on was a retail base who was willing to hold on to their shares through all the criminality, through all the drama, through all the volatility, through all the criminality. We usually buy high and sell low, and they develop their modus operandi on that thesis. They thought that if they pushed it down, retail investors would run out to play and they would get to pocket all that cash. But retail investors did the exact opposite. They kept buying the dip, which made these bad actors have to create more counterfeit shares. And then retail investors kept buying it up, kept buying it up, kept buying it up. And the hole just kept getting deeper and deeper and deeper. And now with the market crashing, they are in deep, deep trouble, okay? They're in deep, deep trouble. So I believe, even though I have no evidence of that yet, I believe some of the smaller naked shorters started covering a little bit, because we all know that a market crash is not going to get AMC or GME retail investors to panic, sell their shares. Okay, we've held at 70, we've held at 50, we've held at 40. We're definitely going to hold at 26 cents, 27 cents. Okay, no doubt in my mind about that. But at this point, with the whole market red and AMC and GME green, it tells me that something is coming. And next week is going to be very, very interesting in the stock market. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Why do you think the entire market was red, but AMC and GME stayed green? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.